2-minute warning.
Okay. Oh, so yeah, click once and then click twice.
So you it's back if you need it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the innovation stage. I'm Phil Middleton from the Insurance Network, and I'm going to do nothing else apart from introduce our three speakers today. So we're going to start with the first supplier spotlight, which is from Charles Taylor Insurtech. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rhys Gavin. I work for Charles Taylor Insurtech. I'm the head of London Market Application Development and Delivery. We provide a number of products to the London market, from claims, bordereau management, and DMS and workflow solutions. But what I'm going to talk to you today is a new product we have that has been launched today, I hope, or not. And that is a bit niche. It's in the delegated authority space. If this plays, here we go. And this is what we call Bordereau Sync. This is an AI-driven product, or will be.
Bordereau validation is slow, manual, and error-prone, especially with
we believe will enhance the market in the delegated authority space.
Even small errors create delays and compliance risks. At Charles Taylor Insurtech, we have developed Bordereau Sync to change that.
Okay. Right. Well, I'll explain it to you, then I'll show you the video again of the technology. It's great. Basically, what our AI-powered technology does is it takes a bordereau in any format and any solution. It will take that bordereau, it will process that bordereau, it will fix and correct that bordereau. If it can't fix it, it will reach out to the person who submitted the bordereau, be that the broker or the cover holder, and ask them for the information. It will then augment that bordereau. At the end of it, it will give you a Lloyd's 5.2 standard bordereau that you can process in any bordereau management solution. Doesn't have to be ours, it could be one of our competitors. It will also tell you everything it's changed. So a human can review that and can decide whether they want to process the original bordereau or the AI augmented bordereau. This will allow for greater straight-through processing, it will allow for less errors, it will allow for less reprocessing, and it doesn't mean an underwriter or a bordereau technician has to go back to a broker or cover holder and ask for information. The AI will do that for you. It can't make the broker or cover holder give you the information. But it will also tell you what the missing information or the incorrect information is, and that it's tried to contact them, and who it's tried to contact, and they've had no response. So I will show you this quick video, I hope.
Bordereau validation is slow, manual, and error-prone, especially with multi-class data, inconsistent formats, and missing fields. Even small errors create delays and compliance risks. At Charles Taylor Insurtech, we have developed Bordereau Sync to change that. Our AI-powered solution automates the ingestion, validation, and correction of incoming bordereau, turning error-prone spreadsheets into clean and compliant data in minutes. Bordereau Sync supports multiple input channels, allowing users to submit bordereau in Excel, Word, or PDF formats. Our AI identifies the schema, validates data against standards like Lloyd's 5.2, and automatically corrects errors, fills in missing fields, and remediates issues where possible. If input is required, it contacts the sender, applies the update, and keeps a full audit trail of every change. Validated bordereau are transformed into a clean, structured format ready for processing in Tide or other downstream systems. Where needed, the AI creates a new questionnaire or mapping template in Tide, identifies relevant contracts, and flags any financial fields for user review. If the bordereau is new, it builds the questionnaire or mapping template automatically and notifies the bordereau technician to finalize and approve it. Once validation is complete, the AI processes the file against the correct questionnaire or mapping template in Tide. If Tide isn't used, it generates a clean, corrected bordereau with all CR codes applied and provides a full error report detailing each change and its reason. With end-to-end automation, Bordereau Sync reduces manual effort, accelerates validation cycles, and improves data quality at scale. And with full auditability, user controls, and seamless Tide integration, you get greater accuracy, speed, and control without the operational burden. Talk to Charles Taylor in Insurtech today and see how Bordereau Sync can level
And
up
I'd just like
your
to say
bordereau
that
process.
this will be available for beta engagement from select clients in summer and on general release at the back end of this year. If anyone has any questions, please come and talk to the team. Thank you.
Very much indeed.
That's all right. Okay, next up we have Unqork.
Can everybody hear me okay? Awesome. Hello, everybody. My name is Andrew Kolotov. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to speak to you about Unqork, a no-code drag-and-drop software development application tool leveraged by over 60 clients in the insurance space, 15 of here in the UK and EMEA market. What Unqork represents is an integration, presentation, and orchestration layer that helps customers build their system-critical applications in a robust and clean way, allowing them to deliver to market quicker, in a less resource-intensive way, and with fewer overall bugs. Unqork was started about 8 years ago by our CEO, Gary Hoberman, the former CIO of MetLife, and he built the product that he wished he had when running an insurance company. We're trusted by leaders in the carrier, a reinsurer, MGA, and broker space. So when we talk about our solutions in market, it's these 5 core items. How we deliver to the overall market is we have pre-built accelerators. These are data modules, these are screens, these are a couple of hundred pre-built connectors to everything from core distribution to data sources, generic tools, all to help accelerate your time to value. We deliver the submission hub, which is using IDP vendors in market and allowing acceleration to get that data into your system. Customized underwriting workbenches, which allow you to build to your specification to triage and accelerate and process risks. Agent and customer portals to work with your distribution network to fill out the top of your funnel and get a look at the best risks that you can. Agent licensing and appointment, managing the full life cycle for producers in your overall market, and claims, F&OL, and workbench. Right? We're doing this across primary reinsurance and delegated authority items, and we can work with you across any level of complexity. We are not PAS dependent. We are not. We take you as you are. We work with legacy providers. We do all the core bits. So what I wanted to talk about specifically is what we're working now in market, particularly with our underwriting workbench, is we're seeing a lot of activity around how we're getting the best use of underwriting time and how we're maximizing the LLM space and Gen AI. So we work with a number of providers in this space, predominantly the hyperscalers, some of which are here today. So your AWS, your Gemini, and then your Azure as well. So we work with not only individual providers, but hyperscalers as well. We have pre-built integrations which are allowing you to leverage the tools that they've already built, manage your prompt engineering. All of this is directly out of the box. The goal for this tool is to get you from 0 to 60 as fast as possible and help you build your custom application to your specific needs for your organization to maximize value. And if interested in learning more, come see us at the booth. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much indeed from Unqork. And now my final presentation on the Supplier Spotlight, a new client to TINtech stage. I'd like to introduce the SoftHouse Group and Simon Peters. Here we are.
Thank you so much, Phil. That's me. Everyone hear me okay? Like Mike's live? I'm your last one for the afternoon, so I'm not going to take it too long. SoftHouse Group, we're present in Canada, we're present in Europe. We're originally from Ukraine. We're a team of software engineers. We have specialists in the insurance industry. We have worked, if the slides are good, we have worked end-to-end on the value chain. We've helped suppliers build their own customers build their own processes for product development, for customer acquisition, for policy handling. And when I say policy handling, I mean we have applied AI solutions to help them handle the policy generation process and the management of it. You look at agent management, this is one of our fortes, certainly in Canada. Your agents are coming in, you need new agent, you need the onboarding process, you need KYC, AML. We've built all that together with the client, so it's in-house for them. Not only that, but then the performance management of the agent, because what any good MGA wants is for their agents to sell lots of insurance. And when they don't sell insurance, they get rebates. They get their own money. So agent promotion has actually been a major component of our success over on that score. We can do claims management, risk and control. We have one product that you might have heard of today. If you haven't, I'm going to tell you about it now. It's called the Organizational Digital Twin. Or if you want, it's a visualizer. Thank you, Justin. It's a visualizer. He said, what's a digital twin? I said, oh, okay. So it's a visualizer of your end-to-end landscape. It takes in your infrastructure and technology. It takes in your software applications. It takes in then your business processes, but then it takes in your organizational capabilities, who you've got in your organization, HR, real people, as well as agents, obviously, who you've got, what their skill sets are, what they do know, what they don't know, and then your strategic objectives. So the board tells you, hey, we're going to go here, we're going to go onto cloud, we're coming off cloud, we're doing whatever. And then with your map, you then have your digital core, the agentic AI systems, and you can pull out either using a UI or a BI, a quick view. We've got our own little agentic query going forwards, and then we provide on the back end the services to help make that happen. We do staff augmentation, we can do outsourcing, we can do nearshore, we can do in the UK. SoftHouse Group, in red, not very insurance, you know. Thank you very much.
Right, everyone, thank you very much indeed. That is the end of the innovation stage for today. So now please go and grab yourself a coffee. You have 13 minutes before the workshop starts.